And hello there again, fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is a P-Band exclusive for the HG GQuuuuuux line. We have the RX78-01, or most popularly known as the 01 Gundam. Yes, so this is the prototype before we had the RX78-2 and then the White Gundam. And as you can see in the box art, yes, this is a P-Band exclusive with a monotone color or some gray tones over there. And off to the side, we just see here 01 Gundam, 01 Gundam, and just 01 Gundam all over. And opening up and seeing what's inside the box, we have one bag with two sprues, all white and black, some sticker sheets, just one sticker sheet, beam saber effects, red and yellow screws, and of course lots of screw on this bag here for multicolored ones and such. And yes, lastly here we have it, the instruction manual, where it says it's a 01 Gundam, and there is no indicator of who is the pilot is. And yeah, it follows the same instruction manual layout for the GQuuuuuux, but instead in a black and white color. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. First off, we have the A sprue. I think this is a similar sprue to the White Gundam with blacks and reds. And another similar sprue for the B sprue here, again from the White Gundam, I guess. A C sprue, all gray. A B sprue, I think still coming from the White Gundam. I'm thinking an E sprue, still from the White Gundam molds, I guess. Also an F sprue here. We also have an I2, so I think this is coming from the light gun type cannon sprue. Cyber effects, some PC7s, a sticker sheet, and lastly is a dry transfer. Alright. And there you have it again, fans and folks. That was what's inside the P-Bandai exclusive for the HG GQuuuuuux line of the RX78-01, also known as the 01 Gundam. And yes, as you can see it is definitely a combination of the White Gundam and also of the, what we call it, the light type gun cannon Gundam, with with the head just having a V-fin instead of just a plain head. So I guess this is the alternate century or sorry, alternate timeline of the 01 Gundam, completely different from the original RX78-01 Gundam from the Universal Century. And this is Mixor saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing on the videos, sharing and commenting on the videos. And until next time, see you and thank you.